In this video, we're going to go through a scenario where we're being instructed to set up a workstation for a new employee that's currently in orientation. The instructions I just summarized is on the left-hand side, and it's asking us first to connect the workstation in Office 1 to the Ethernet local area network using a twisted pair cable, meaning it's RJ45, this blue cable, Cat6A, which I'll give more information about in a moment, and it's probably going inside of the wall, which is going to lead to the switch and the router. Okay. Next, and lastly, is to confirm that the Office 1 workstation is connected to the local network and the internet. All right. So one thing you can do whenever you whether you're not employed or you just need some task or some way to familiarize yourself with the concepts and the applications used to set up workstations and troubleshoot and do all these installations, etc., is use virtual machines or home labs like we're doing here. But more importantly, like we said, we're trying to set up the workstation for the new employee before they return from orientation. All right. So as you see, we have one workstation, desktop set up. And if we turn to the back, we notice that inside this Ethernet port, it's not receiving anything, of course, because it's not plugged in, right? So we're going to look to this left-hand side, and based off of these cables, we're going to select the one that's going to give us internet access, right? We have the first one, which is RJ11, which is usually used as a cable jack for telecommunication. We have this next one, which is the one we're going to use for internet access. Is going to go to the switch, which is going to go into the router and, give us internet. We have this USB cord. You can use that for so many items, but in this case, it's not going to be used for the internet. We have this IEE 1394. It's usually used for audio and video interfaces such as camcorders and etc. You have this coaxial cable, RG6, which is used for cable, like literally watching TV. So we're going to go to this computer and we're going to make sure that we see that it's not receiving any internet. All of these is just making sure, the slum. Sometimes the simplest and smallest oversight can cause the biggest issues. So we'll go back. We see that it's not receiving any internet, just as the instruction said. And we see on the back, we're going to pull this Ethernet cable from the shelf. Okay, and it's already down here. That's what it's saying, cannot, because and we're going to plug one end of this RJ45 inside the Ethernet port of the computer. We're going to place the other end inside of the wall jack. It's going to lead to the switch. One of the biggest indicators to let you know that the computer is receiving and communicating with the switch and or router, depending on the type of network appliance you have, is you'll see the port turn green, which I zoom in so you can see, and it's letting you know receiving power and some type of communication is being transferred between both devices due to the blinking of this green light. Now, depending on the manufacturer, the color, and the amount of blinks and the behavior pattern of the actual LED light, it'll vary, But we see that we can already start getting confident that the device is receiving internet that's connected. But another way to verify also, we're going to go to the same computer and we're going to look at the bottom. This icon right here is letting you know it's a wired connection and it's communicating with the switch. If it was a wireless connection, it'll have a Wi-Fi symbol. And if you hold on to it, you see it said corpnet.local internet access. After following that process, the staff member is now ready and everything is complete. Easy, simple, fast, and even you can do it. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching QuikCodes. Continue learning.